Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video, we will see the one guessing game challenge program. Okay, so first we see that what is the game challenge. Okay, see here. So this is my question. Okay, so read it carefully. So write a program that pick a random integer from 1 to 100. Okay, then guess the number. So use the following rules. So my first rule is that if the player is less than 1 or greater than 100, then output message is that out of bounds. Okay, means your number is in between the 1 to 100. Okay, next, on a player first turn, means this output is generated by first turn, and then remaining turn the following code is executed. Okay, see here, on the player first term, if their guess is within 10 of the number, okay, means for example, if your guess is the 50, okay, and your random number is the 45, okay, so difference is within 10, okay, and this is your first term, so output is that the warm, and if it is 10 away, then output is the cold. Okay, so this output is displayed on first time. Okay, then after that your next number is close to the previous guess, then warmer message is printed. Then if it is farther from the previous guess, then the colder message will be printed. Okay, then you can accept number from keyboard till you not match as the random number. Okay, if it is match, then break this condition and display the last output is that, see here, when the player guess equal the number, then tell them they have guessed correctly. So see here, you can display the message, you can match the number and print here the count. Count means that how many guesses you will attempt to getting this result. Okay, so going to Jupyter mode, see the one by one concept. Okay, so first we will see the some functions or the concept which we are used in our game challenge program. Okay, see here, first concept is that how to get the random number. Okay, so there is a one random function in Python. So this is the rand int. Okay, pass the two parameter and you get the random number in between these two parameter. Okay, and for that function you need to import the random library. Okay, then number equal to rand int. Okay, random dot rand int, here pass the number 1 to 100. Okay, and here print my number. See here, this is my random number 76. Next one is that if this is my list, okay, which have the one number, that is the 0, okay, and if you print this my list equal to 0, if you print this my list, see here, your my list is the 0. Okay, if you print this my list by using -1, okay, see here, -1 means that the last number, so last number is also 0. Okay, see here, my next number is that the 10. Okay, then by -1 this is my last number, and by -2 this is my second last number. Okay, again 20, see, second last number is 10, again again here -30, so this is my second last number. Okay, so in game challenge program we use this mylist -2 option as well as this randint function. Okay, so this mylist -2 means that the second last number in the list. So see here, this is your question. Okay, So read it again. Okay. So first we give the one title. So this is the game challenge, guessing game challenge. Okay. Guessing game challenge. Okay. Then import random, then number equal to random dot rand, rand int, and number is in between 1 to 100. Okay. Next we create the one empty list. So my list is equal to 0. 0 is the default number, means that there is a one number in that list. So default number is that the 0. Okay. Then there is a infinite while loop. Okay. So this while loop will break when my guess and my actual number is matched. Okay. So see here, my guess is equal to, here I can use the input function. So by using input function, we accept a input from keyboard. Okay. So by default input is in the string, but here we want the input in integer data type. Okay. So here we cast the input in int function. Okay. So this is my message. Enter number between 1 to 100. Okay. So this is your guess. If your guess is less than 1 and or guess is greater than 100. Okay. So if one of these condition becomes true, means that you pass the invalid input. So give here one error message. So out of bounds. Okay. So this is your question error. Then here use the continue, means that you can accept the input again. Okay. See here, next one is that if your guess number is in between the 1 to 100, then check your guess and your actual number. If it is match, okay, then print here the message here. So use here the one congratulations, you guess it in only. Here use one variable. Variable means that here we find the length of this my list. Okay. So my list and function is that the len. Here length, length variable. Okay. It in only length guesses. Okay. So here use the format string. Okay. So dot format here your length. Okay. So this is your if, and break this while loop. Okay. Then see here, if your guess and number is not the same, then see, this is the question. So for the first attempt, my output is that the cold and warm, and next attempt my output is that colder and warmer. Okay. So here again we use the one if condition. See here, if the my list of -2, okay, -2 means that the second last number. Okay. See here, my list of -2, then use here the colon, then again the one if condition. So ABS function, ABS means if your subtraction result is in negative, then ABS function convert this result into the positive number. Okay. See here, number minus guess, and this difference is less than, again ABS, number minus your previous value. Guess of -2 is your the previous value. Okay. So if it is, then print here warmer. Okay, otherwise print here colder. Okay, so this is your next time iteration. But if you have the first attempt, then if ABS, see here, number minus guess is less than equal 10, means your guess is in the range of within 10, then print warm. Okay, else print cold. Okay, so see here, we run this code. So out of bounds, so this is the print function. Okay, use the bracket. Okay, so enter number in between 1 to 100. So my first number is that the 50. Okay, so see here, this is the compilation error, format length, then if mylist of -2. Okay, see here, so your list is that mylist. Okay, so here mylist. Okay, see here, again my number is in 1 to 50, again error, mylist of -2, if condition, here in if. Okay, again number is 50, if mylist of -2, list index out of range. Okay, here we append mylist dot append your guess number. Okay, see here, enter the number in between 1 to 100. So my number is the 50. Okay, so output is that the cold, means that further than 10 away from the number, return cold. Okay, so you are the 10 numbers away from the original number. Okay, then next one is that the 60. See here, the colder. Colder means further from the number that the previous guess. So previous guess is that the 50. Okay, and your new number is that the 60, means you are the farther from the number. Okay, so next number is that the 40, again warmer, means that you are the close to the number of the previous guess. Okay, then 30, again warmer, then 20, again warmer, 10, so colder, means that your number is in between 10 to 20. Okay, see here, my next number is that the 11, so warmer. So from 10, so 20 is my previous number, 10 is my next number. Okay, so 11 is the warmer, means that you are closer to the answer. Okay, next 12, closer, 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so this is your guess. So you guessed it in only 15 guesses. So this is your output. Okay, so we see that how to run this code. So going to graphical mode. Okay, see here. So this is your random number, NVM. So this is your output. Okay, so your random number is the 19. Okay, so if my number is 19, okay, see here, my list equal to 0. So this is your my list. Okay, my first number is that the 0. Okay, then while true, this is my infinite loop. Then guess here, accept one number from keyboard. So my number is that the 50. So 50 is my first guess. Okay, so this is my first guess, 50. Then check here, guess is less than 1 or greater than 100? No, this is in between the 1 to 100. Okay, so then guess is equal to number? No. See here, mylist dot append guess. So this number is append to this mylist. Okay, so by using order, so this is -1 and this is -2. Okay, so see here, then if mylist of -2, so mylist of -2 is that the 0. If 0 means the if false. Okay, so cursor is going to else. So in this else, see here, num minus guess. So my num is that the 19 and my guess is the 50. So difference is that the 31. Okay, minus 31. So this is my ABS function. So convert this negative difference into positive. So my now difference is the 31. Less than if 10? No. So my first output is that the cold. See here, this is my first output. Cold means that your number is not within the 10. Means your difference is in 10, then output is the warm. Otherwise this is the cold, means this number is farther from the 10 away. Okay. So for the next time, so my next number is that the 60. Again see here, guess and number same? No. Okay, so my next number is that the 60. See here, mylist dot append. So my next number is that the 60. See here, this is -1, -2, -3. Okay. See here, if mylist of -2, see here, -2 is that the 50. If 50 means the true. Okay, so see here, then if condition. So see here, this is this if condition. If, so num minus guess. So your num is that the 19 and your next guess is that the 60. Okay, so this is difference is the -41. Okay, then is less than. So this is ABS function. So difference is in the positive. This is 41. Less than ABS num. So your num is the 19 minus mylist of -2 means that the previous number. So previous number is that the 50. So 19 minus 50 is that the 31. See here, 41 is less than 31? No. This is the colder. See here, this is the colder. Colder means that you are the farther from the number than the previous guess. Okay. So that's why I enter the next number is the 40. Because you are the farther from this your original number. So my next 40, then answer is that the warmer. Means you are closer to the input. Again 30, again you are closer. 20, again you are closer. 10, then colder means that you are away from this number. Okay, then here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19 is your the actual number. So total number of case is that the 15. Okay, so this is the workflow or the execution flow. So how to run or how to execute this guessing game challenge. Okay, so student, test this code on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.